In this video, we're diving into whether Tidio is the best live chat and AI chatbot solution for customer support. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you choose the right tools to engage with your audience. Now, if you're curious about how to give website visitors immediate answers without being stuck at your desk all day, then this review is exactly what you need. Now, have you ever visited a website and been greeted by a friendly chat bubble offering help? It's usually powered by a live chat system or chatbot. For small and medium-sized businesses, these tools can make the difference between winning a customer and losing them to a competitor. Tidio is one of the platforms that claims to deliver both live chat and AI chat capabilities. So let's explore what it offers and whether it suits your needs. Now, what is Tidio? Tidio is a customer communication platform that combines live chat, chatbots, and automation. It's designed to help businesses engage visitors in real time, answer questions, and guide users toward purchases or support solutions. The platform integrates with websites and various social media channels, allowing you to manage all conversations from a single inbox. Main features: live chat. A widget appears on your website, enabling visitors to chat with you or your team instantly. Agents can manage multiple conversations, send files, and see which page the visitor's on. Chatbot builder. Create automated flows that respond to common questions. You can design sequences using triggers, such as a user entering a page, actions, sending messages or forms, and conditions, branching logic based on user responses. Lyro AI chatbot. A more advanced AI-powered agent that leverages natural language understanding to answer questions based on your knowledge base. You train Lyro by uploading FAQs or connecting it to your product database. Multi-channel messaging. Engage customers via your website chat widget, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and email. All messages funnel into a unified inbox. Analytics and tracking. Monitor chat volumes, response times, resolution rates, and user satisfaction. You can use this data to improve your support strategy. Integrations. Connect with Shopify, WordPress, Wix, and other platforms. Integrate e-commerce features like product recommendations and order tracking. So Tidio is built to serve small and medium-sized businesses that need quick, effective customer communication tools without enterprise-level complexity. Getting started with Tidio. So you can click the link down below in the description to go ahead and get started with Tidio. You can create an account using either your email or you can connect through a Google account. During onboarding, Tidio asks about your business type, e-commerce, services, etc., and suggests a recommended setup. You can usually start with a free plan, which includes basic live chat and limited chatbot usage. Installing the chat widget. So after signing up, Tidio guides you through installing the chat widget on your website. If you use WordPress or Shopify, you can install the Tidio plugin or app. Then follow the prompts to connect your account. For custom websites, copy and paste a short JavaScript snippet into your site's header. The widget will appear instantly, ready for visitors to start chatting. Setting up a chatbot flow. Tidio's chatbot builder is visual and intuitive. Here's how to create a simple welcome bot. Choose a template or start from scratch. Tidio offers pre-built templates like welcome message, lead generation, or FAQ bot. Select one or build your own. Define a trigger. For a welcome bot, the trigger could be visitor lands on any page. Add actions. An action might be sending a greeting like, "Hi there, how can we help you today?" Or offering a quick menu with options like track an order, product info, talk to an agent. Use conditions. If a visitor selects track an order, the bot can ask for an order number. If they choose talk to an agent, the conversation can be transferred to a human agent. Drag and drop blocks to build your flow. Preview it in real time to ensure it responds as expected. Enabling Lyro AI. Lyro is Tidio's AI-powered chatbot. Unlike rule-based flows, it uses natural language understanding. To set it up, upload knowledge base. Provide documents like FAQs, product manuals, or curated lists of questions and answers. Lyro learns from this data and improves over time. Define confidence thresholds. Decide how confident Lyro must be to answer a question. If confidence is low, Lyro can transfer the conversation to a human agent. Test and train. Ask common questions and evaluate Lyro's responses. Add clarifications or adjust the knowledge base if needed. Managing conversations. All chats, whether from live agents, bots, or social channels, appear in a unified inbox. Agents can see visitor details like location, page they're on, order history, and respond directly. You can use canned responses responses to answer common queries quickly. If multiple agents are available, assign conversations based on expertise or availability. Pricing tiers. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at Tidio's different pricing plans. So if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, as you can see, you can go ahead and get started here for free. But let's go ahead and click on pricing. So they have several different plans here. They've got a starter plan, a growth plan, a plus plan, and a premium plan that you need to contact for pricing. Now, these all are going to change based on how many conversations you need per month. So these are the starting prices at 100 conversations per month. But maybe you have a huge website and you need more than that. So maybe you need about 10 times that at 1,000 conversations per month. As you can see, the starter plan price stayed the same, but the growth increased up to $149.17 from $49.17. So about $100. Now, if you need more than that, maybe twice as much as that at 2,000, you can see that again, the growth plan changes. Now, the reason that the starter plan doesn't change is you only get 100 billable conversations. So you're kind of maxed out there. So this really applies to the growth plan here. So if you need anything over 2,000 conversations per month, then you're going to need the plus plan. So with the starter plan, you get 100 billable conversations, basic analytics, live visitors list, and operating hours. With the growth plan, you get everything in the starter plan plus 2,000 billable conversations, depending on however many conversations you choose here, advanced analytics, Tidio power features, no Tidio branding, and permissions. On the plus plan, you get everything in the growth plan plus a custom quota of billable conversations, a dedicated success manager, custom branding, multi-project, departments, multi-language, open API, and support over live chat. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, we can go ahead to step 2 here, and this is where you can go ahead and add things like the Lyro AI agent and flows. So again, here you go ahead and select how many you need per month. Maybe you need 200 per month. That's going to be an extra $116 for the Lyro AI agent. And with the flows, same thing here. If you go to maybe 2,000 visitors reached per month, that's going to be an additional $24 per month for a total of $431 per month with all of these settings here. Pros and cons of Tidio. Advantages. Ease of use. The interface is super clean and beginner friendly. Setting up a basic chatbot takes just minutes, and the live chat widget looks modern. Multi-channel support. You can manage website chats, social media messages, and emails all from one place. This unified approach saves time and prevents missing messages. Native integrations. Tidio plugs directly into e-commerce platforms and CRMs, making it super easy to sync product catalogs or customer data. Quick onboarding. You don't need technical knowledge to install or configure the widget. Tidio provides clear steps and helpful templates. Good customer support. Reviews highlight responsive support via chat and email. There are tutorials and a knowledge base for troubleshooting. Drawbacks. Limited analytics. Although Tidio provides basic metrics, it lacks deep insights and reporting. If you need granular data like chat funnel analysis, you might need a third-party tool. AI customization constraints. Lyro's knowledge-based training is straightforward, but you can't combine Lyro with complex flow-based bots. You must choose between rule-based flows or the AI assistant for each chat widget. Marketing limitations. Tidio focuses on support rather than marketing. Unlike some other platforms, it doesn't include advanced features like email campaigns or SMS marketing. Cost at scale. The pricing for Lyro is based on conversations. If your website receives a high volume of queries, cost can rise quickly. So evaluate whether the AI answers justify the expense. Understanding these pros and cons helps set expectations and will help guide your decision. Comparing reviews and user feedback. Reviewers really generally praise Tidio for its ease of use and multi-channel capabilities. The drag and drop builder allows small businesses to create functional bots without any coding. Users appreciate the ability to integrate with platforms like Shopify and the quick setup. Others note that while the platform is affordable for small teams, costs increase dramatically if you use Lyro at a high volume. For companies with complex automation or marketing needs, it may serve as a starting point rather than a comprehensive solution. Tips for getting the most out of Tidio. Start simple. Begin with a basic welcome flow and gradually add complexity. This prevents overwhelming visitors with too many options. Use proactive messaging. Trigger chat invitations based on behavior, like a visitor spending time on a pricing page to increase engagement. Train your AI. If you enable Lyro, update the knowledge base regularly with new FAQs. The more relevant data you provide, the better it performs. Monitor performance. Even though analytics are basic, pay attention to metrics such as response time and customer satisfaction ratings. Quick responses keep visitors engaged. Integrate with your store. If you're an e-commerce site, use Tidio's product recommendation feature. You can display relevant products dialogues during chats to drive sales. Provide human backup. Bots are great for repetitive questions, but always offer an easy path to a human agent. This improves user experience when issues require empathy or nuanced understanding. So is Tidio the best live chat and AI chatbot tool for customer support? Well, it depends on your business size and needs. Its seamless integrations and affordable entry-level pricing make it super attractive for new or growing businesses. Try it for yourself. Start with the free plan. Build a simple bot and see how it impacts your engagement and customer satisfaction. Now, if you want to get started with Tidio AI, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us in creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the AI curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But other than that, thanks again for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.